Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. So in this video we will be seeing about how to protect your Excel worksheet. So where we will be using this protection, for what reason? Is usually, as we know, we don't want anyone to edit our sheet, the data we have given. So nowadays we everything we started using it in a SharePoint in the cloud. So there is a lot of chances like we will have a file shared and it will be used all along from our team, from anybody else. Everyone will have access to it and they will update their own data to that. And in some other cases, like for example, we have a tech refresh. So we have a sheet in our SharePoint and we share the link to the users. Whoever wants to pick a slot, they can pick it. So we don't want the users by mistake they overwrite our schedule which the other user has taken, or they create an row or delete a row or delete something else over there. We don't want the user to do all those things. Or we have some data to be say example, we have a model of a notebook. We need a model because when each user input the model, so they may use different terms. In the example, it's a version notebook, so some users may use it as NB, some users notebook, some users with capital N, some users with small n, all those things. So all these things, they are kind of things we can pre-build it so that the users can just choose, and we protect the entire sheet. So we allow them to edit only particular column or row, so they are not allowed to edit any other details in the worksheet. So this will be very helpful. So let us see how we can do this protection. So here I have a sample data. This is for the tech refresh, like serial number, username, department, date of tech refresh, slot, device ID, host name, and model. So here date of tech refresh, I already have a data validation. You can refer to my previous video. I will also mention the video in the description for your reference, so you can know how we can do this data validation, so that the user will choose from your options. They don't, and also the format, maybe if you're having any other link to the other Excel, so that your template or your the way how you represent the slot or data is not changed, so they can just choose anything from your options. So here I want the user to able to edit this B and C column, and the rest of the columns I don't want them to edit. So if you're going to use this protect sheet, so I show you, if you use the protect sheet, I just give them some random formula password. So here the entire sheet will be protected. I will not be able to edit anything over, so entire sheet will be protected. So to avoid that, if you want the entire sheet to be protected, like technically it will be like a read-only sheet unless you have the password. So here I am going to select allow edit ranges. So this one I will delete. Okay, I create a new range. So here I want the range B and C only. Okay, then protect sheet. Okay, so I have protected the sheet. So example, I cannot edit this. Here I will be able to key in, say I key in user 1, the department I key in as sales. So this range has to be unprotected. Sorry, I have chosen the range wrongly. Okay, this one I need to keep it unprotected so that the user able to edit this. Then this here you can see, okay, this one I'm able to edit, this one I'm able to edit. Here I can choose, here I can choose, here I don't have permission, I don't have permission, and serial first I don't have permission. So the user, when you provide this, or you put it in a SharePoint location and you ask the user to update the data, so the user can update the username, department, then choose a date, then choose a slot. The rest of things will remain constant unless you have the password, you unprotect the sheet, then you edit the data. So by this we can avoid any kind of changes happen to your to make any changes to your in your unapproved changes in your sheet, because when you have a lot of data in your sheet, it's not very easy to find out who made the changes. So this is the best way to have it protected. Always, if you have a critical data, it's always recommended to have it protected with a password. So you just want to edit it, you just unprotect, then edit it, then you protect it back. This is the best way, best practice to do always. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Techify with Adil for more such videos. Share with your friends for them to get benefited as well. Thank you.